Hello, good people. I'm going to show you what I do with these African fabric scraps. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts. Okay, I'm taking a 12 by 12 piece of birch plywood. I'm applying white glue to it, and I'm taking my fabric strips and using very thin strips of my African print fabric to just apply to this birch plywood. I am applying it on the grain, on the long grain. And what I'm doing is very repetitive, so I have speeded it up for your viewing pleasure. For this design, I have chosen to use several of my what I call glam fabrics. It's the African print fabrics that have gold and glitter applied to the fabrics that to me just make them so glamorous. I'm going to paint the back black and then stencil a design on the back. Debbie Jackson taught us to always make the back pretty too, because people are inevitably going to turn your jewelry over and look at the back of it. This is a stencil design that I cut on my Glowforge. I do have a stencil set for sale. This particular design is not in the set, but I have a 3-piece stencil set. It's on my website, which is sherikaoriginals.com. You can find a link to my website in the description. All done painting, so here's the back. Now that everything's dry, I'm just going to trim the edges of my material, and it's going to be all ready to be cut into shapes on my Glowforge laser. I leave the material unsealed because I want whoever purchases this to decide how they want to seal it. You could put UV resin on it, you could put Mod Podge on it, you could put diamond glaze or polyacrylic, however you decide that you want to seal your material. And this is how it looks when it's cut into shapes. I'm really, really happy with the way that this turned out. All right, good people, you know the drill. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, share it. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.